With 12 reported cases of leptospirosis in St. Anne, residents of Cave Valley are sounding the alarm. Here's Sandy Williams with that story.
In Cave Valley, St. Anne, water has never flowed through pipes, not before Hurricane Melissa and certainly not now. For years, residents say they have survived by buying trucked water or dipping into rivers and ponds. But with leptospirosis spreading across the parish, that daily struggle has become a public health threat. Just last week, the health ministry said 12 people died, 7 linked to leptospirosis. The country has recorded 71 cases, including 26 confirmed. St. Anne alone accounts for 12 cases, making Cave Valley's situation even more perilous, a situation resident Donna Grant is fearful of.
Cave Valley don't have running water from ever since. We have never seen pipe water in Cave Valley. And now that Melissa come and damage the place, the people in the community, they are suffering because they don't have any water to do the cleaning. They need water to do their chores, domestic purpose. And when you look now, they buy a drum of water or a tank of water. How far can that go?
During Hurricane Melissa, Cave Valley was completely underwater. Homes, livestock, and small businesses were destroyed. But without piped water to wash mud away, disinfect surfaces, or even bathe properly, residents say they are being pushed into risky behavior.
Some of them gone back to the little stream, the little pond that Melissa leave with the same dirty water and trying to get their things tidy up. So they need help.
That help, she says, must start with access to clean piped water. Without it, residents fear Cave Valley could become a hotspot for infection. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.